If you want to make your CapCut edits look smoother and more professional, learning how to fade in and fade out in CapCut PC is a must. These simple animation effects can instantly improve the flow of your video, whether you're editing a vlog, a tutorial, a short-form clip, or text on screen. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add both fade in and fade out effects in CapCut PC. And I'll also show you how to adjust the timing so the effect matches your style. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your timeline is ready, click on the video clip or text clip that you want to animate. This is important because the fade effect only applies to the selected clip. If you want to add the effect to a video segment, click the video. If you want to fade in text or captions, just select the text layer instead. After selecting the clip, look at the top right panel and click on the Animation tab. Inside the Animation section, you'll see different options for how your clip can enter, stay, or exit the screen. To create a fade-in effect, click the In tab first. This section controls how the clip appears at the beginning. From the list of available animations, select Fade In. As soon as you choose it, CapCut will apply the effect automatically, and you'll usually be able to preview it right away on your timeline. This gives your clip a softer and cleaner entrance instead of just popping in suddenly. Next, if you want the clip to disappear smoothly, click the Out tab. This section controls how the clip leaves the screen at the end. Here, select Fade Out. This makes the end of your video or text transition more natural and polished. Using both fade in and fade out together is a great way to make your content feel more cinematic and better paced. Now let's adjust the duration, because this is where you can fine-tune the effect. At the bottom of the animation panel, you'll see a slider for timing. Drag that slider to the left if you want the fade to happen faster, or move it to the right if you want a slower and smoother fade. A shorter fade is useful for quick edits and fast-paced content, while a longer fade works well for dramatic intros, outro clips, or more relaxed videos. Take a moment to preview the result after adjusting it so you can make sure it matches the look you want. If the fade feels too strong or too slow, simply go back and tweak the slider again until it looks right. That's one of the best things about CapCut PC. You can easily experiment until your transition feels natural. You can also use these same steps on different clips throughout your project to keep the whole edit consistent. And that's how to fade in and fade out in CapCut PC. Just select your clip, go to Animation, choose Fade In under the In tab, choose Fade Out under the Out tab, and adjust the duration using the slider. It's a quick trick, but it makes a huge difference in the overall quality of your video. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.